In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your workflow using folders, projects, and spaces. If you're looking to boost your productivity and streamline your team's processes, learning how to utilize these organizational tools can make a world of difference. Let's delve into how you can get the most out of these functionalities to enhance your project management skills. First, let's discuss the primary building blocks: folders, projects, and spaces. Understanding the function of each will help you better organize your work. Folders are essentially your overarching categories. They hold projects and are perfect for grouping similar projects together. Consider folders as thematic organizers. Let's say you're managing several advertising campaigns. You might have one folder for digital marketing and another for print campaigns. This way you can easily locate and manage different projects without them getting jumbled together. Now, within each folder, you'll find projects. Projects are more specific and are the backbone of your management system. They consist of tasks, timelines, and sometimes subtasks. Projects should relate closely to a single objective or output. For example, within a digital marketing folder, you might have separate projects for email marketing, social media campaigns, and search engine optimization. Each project can be tracked, monitored, and completed independently, but working within the organized context of your folder structure. The next feature to understand is spaces. Spaces are like virtual workspaces dedicated to teams, departments, or even specific goals. They serve as a collaborative environment where everyone involved can access the necessary tools and data to carry out their tasks. Not just a collection of projects, but a shared resource including files, conversations, and dashboards. Think of it as a centralized hub where all project-related activities converge, promoting transparency and facilitating communication among team members. Moving on to assigning tasks clearly is crucial to ensure that everyone on your team knows what they need to do and when. Assign ownership by clearly stating who is responsible for each task. This involves not only assigning a task but also setting deadlines and priorities. With clear ownership, accountability becomes apparent, and it helps avoid overlaps where two team members might inadvertently work on the same task. Remember, the effectiveness of your task management can make or break the efficiency of your workflow. Finally, utilize dashboards and reports to gain valuable insights into your team's progress. Dashboards offer a visual representation of your work, tracking key performance indicators and project statuses at a glance. They can be customized to showcase the data most relevant to your needs, be it project timelines, resource allocation, or upcoming deadlines. Reports, on the other hand, provide a more detailed analysis, helping to identify trends over time and areas that might need improvement. They are instrumental in making informed decisions and optimizing your team's productivity. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your organizational skills, ensuring every project runs smoothly and efficiently. Practice these approaches, tweak them as needed to fit your unique situation, and you'll find your productivity reaching new heights. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on effective project management.